Now we're going to do another filling. It's a cocoa filling. We take a plain jelly, and again we smear it. This time it's not going to be too much jelly, it's just a little bit jelly. The reason for it is that we want the cocoa that we're going to put soon on to stick to it, but we don't want too much of the jelly flavor in it. So it's just kind of a dough, we can call it, to glue the cocoa into the dough. Now I'm gonna mix the sugar and the cocoa. I put 2 tablespoons of sugar with 1 tablespoon of cocoa. I'm gonna mix it up together. And then I'm gonna put it around on top of the jelly. There we go. I'm going to take a little bit nuts too and put it on top. And then I'm going to take a little bit of breadcrumbs. As I said before, the breadcrumbs is making it, it's taking all the liquids out, and it helps the filling stay inside and not run out. I don't put too much, but I just kind of sprinkle it on top.